Hello, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to change the movement mode in Half-Life Alyx. So the first thing you're gonna do is we're going to pause the game, and then we're going to click on Options, and Preferences, and here you have the movement modes. So you have Blink, which just allows you to teleport, Shift, which is basically the same, except you don't get like the the screen fade to black animation, or Continuous, which just allows you to walk wherever you want based on the movement of your head. So wherever you're looking at, you're going to go, or in the direction of your hand. So wherever your hand points, it's going to go in that direction. And once you select it, you can just return to the game, and it should work normally. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.